Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownie hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. A brownie mix, about 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract for that extra warmth. These simple items are all you need to start this delicious journey. Now, let's prepare the brownie base. Take about 1/4 of your brownie mix and place it in a microwave-safe mug. Add just a tablespoon or 2 of water or milk, mixing until it forms a thick, fudgy batter. This small amount will create the perfect brownie essence for our drink. It's quick and easy. Next, gently heat your brownie batter in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds until it's warm and slightly gooey. Meanwhile, in a small saucepan, warm 2 cups of milk with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of sugar, stirring until dissolved. Pour this hot chocolate mixture over your warm brownie base. Finally, stir everything together until you have a smooth, rich brownie hot chocolate. For an extra special touch, top your drink with a generous swirl of whipped cream. A sprinkle of chocolate shavings or a drizzle of chocolate syrup makes it even more delightful. Serve it warm and savor every delicious sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.